Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new, welcome to my channel. In our yesterday class, we have learned about modern Europe. In that modern Europe, we learn about Renaissance. In that Renaissance, we learn about meaning and introduction of Renaissance. In today's class, let us see what are the reasons of Renaissance and what are the causes of Renaissance. Now let us see one by one. Our first cause is, or our first reason is, many thinkers like Peter Abelard, Roger Bacon, John Wycliffe, and other rationalists question the superstitions practices by Catholic Church and became the reason for beginning for this movement. In our yesterday class, we have learned about the church started filling common people's mind with superstitions just to the protection for their supremacy. On that time, the church was given more importance to the superstitious. Those are all the thinkers who are protested against the superstitions of that time by the Catholic Church and became the reason for a beginning for the big movement in the whole Europe. By the way, tell me which country is known as Mother of Renaissance. Give this question answer in comments. Now let us see our second reason is in 1453 CE the Ottoman Turks attacked Constantinople. In the year 1453 CE the Ottoman Turks was attacked the Constantinople. On that time, the Constantinople was plays a more important role like a gateway of European trade with Asia and got hold of cities. The intellectuals of all Constantinople fled to Italy along with their books and became the reason for a Renaissance. Here the Ottoman Turks was attack or capture the area of Constantinople in the year 1553 and they were close the way which is gateway between Europe and Asia. This is the one cause of a Renaissance. Now let us see our third cause is in the year 1455 CE, the German by name Gutenberg invented the printing machine that led to the printing of books and facilitated to spread the knowledge swiftly. In the year 1455 CE, a German inventor or scientist called Gutenberg, he was invented the printing press or printing machine that lead to the printing of books and it became most facilitate to spread the knowledge of whole over the world or whole over the Europe. This is the third reason of Renaissance. Now let us see our fourth reason of Renaissance is the kings, popes and the rich patronize and intellectuals in Europe. Pope Nicholas III, Pope Leo and the 10th and the Queen Elizabeth I was sheltered many intellectual and aided to the growth of knowledge. Here we see that the kings, popes and rich patronized peoples are intellectual in Europe. They are very much superior in the Europe like Pope Nicholas III, Pope Leo the 10th, the Queen Elizabeth I was settled many intellectuals and aided to the growth of knowledge. This is one reason. Now let us see our fifth reason is the new geographical inventions and Crusades introduced many new places in East and amazed wealth and knowledge which lead to the Renaissance. Here we see that in the year 1453 the Ottoman Turks was attacked the area of Constantinople and they captured the area of Constantinople and they totally blocked the gateway in between European and Asian countries. On that time started to search the geographical inventions that is called they started the new sea route to Asian countries and they want to assume the wealth and knowledge which lead to the Renaissance. It is one of the reasons. Those are all the five reasons which are related to Renaissance. The meaning of Renaissance, revival or rebirth. The word indicate that the all the indicate all the changes that took place during the medieval period of Europe. The changes that took place during the 14th and 15th century in the field of political art, literature, religion and philosophy, that is called as a Renaissance. Here we see that in the word meaning of a Renaissance itself tells that it means a revival or rebirth or a start or new beginning. It is introduce or say that indicates all those changes which are taken in the period of medieval period or in 14th and 15th century in the field of politics, art, literature, religion and philosophy. What the things are changes in those fields, that is called as a Renaissance. Initially, it begins in Italy and later spread to the other areas of Europe. Hence, it is called as a land of Renaissance. I have already told in our last video, Italy is known as a mother of Renaissance. Actually, first I ask this question. Now let us move on. Initially, it means a Renaissance began in Italy and later spread all over the Europe. It spread all over the Europe. Hence, the Italy is called as a land of Renaissance. Italy is known as a land of Renaissance. Renaissance means bring changes in the society, that is called Renaissance. Politics, art, literature, religion and philosophy fought with superstitious beliefs, fought with superiorism in the Renaissance. We see those kind of things in Renaissance. And many inventions are takes place in this area, like a printing machine, new sea route to Asian countries, and the European peoples are made some equipments which are help to navigate or migrate in the sea. In our today's class, we have learned about the reasons or the causes of a Renaissance. Here we see basically the 5 causes or reasons. If you have any queries regarding this, comment below. Thank you for watching this.